YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So if you saw the title of the video and the thumbnail picture, you know we reviewing the Jordan 4 Imperial. Is it Imperial? Yeah, Imperial Purple, aka Lake Shows, aka Purple Rain. So I'm gonna unbox these, we're gonna do a review, and we definitely throwing them on feet. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're in the fits and kicks, you're in the right place. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate the support. So before I unbox these, I just want to give you a little tip. I hit this pair off of sneakers, so if you hit a pair on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, they don't have Sunday drops really, but on Saturday drops, do not select the overnight or expedited $25 shipping, because you still won't get your pair till like Tuesday, damn near Wednesday. So I call myself trying to be slick, hitting overnight shipping, thinking I'm gonna get them on Monday morning or Sunday night so I can do the review ASAP for you. These joints just came today, so I just wasted money because I could have waited another day and just got them free, you know, save $25. So if you're doing it they only do it on a weekday, they ship on a weekday. So if you're doing it on a weekday, you should be good, like a Monday drop, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday drop. But anytime on a weekend or anything like that, nah, just save your money, it's not worth it. So that being said, let's go ahead and unbox these shoes, because I'm eager to see these on feet. Been waiting for them. All right, cool, so this is one of the boxes where there's no tape. You just tear off that sliver right there, and you get right to it, right to the kicks. That's how I like it. Yeah, nostalgia. Immediately when I see this box, Jordan face box, nostalgia, man, instantly. That's fire. You see that? You see those eyes peering at you. What does that look like to you? You know what it look like to me? The GOAT. Yeah, Jordan is the GOAT, in case you didn't know. You got a great jump man right there on the flip lid. This is a flip lid, and then yeah, nothing else really. Just a pretty simple box. And then here's the sizing label right here. I'll read it for you. Air Jordan 4 Retro Imperial Purple multicolor, and it has violet Imperial on here as well. So 10.5. I went true to size. I always go true to size of my Jordan 4s. I wear 10.5 my Jordan 4s. Nothing on top of the flip lid. You get gray and white cement paper, another sliver of white paper, and then you get right to the shoe. Oh, and there's another sliver of paper inside the box as well. So this is my first time seeing them in hand, and these joints pop. Yeah, that purple is like okay, yeah, it is a darker purple than what I thought. Okay, yeah, look at that shape, man. That shape is just like, it's perfect. I love it. All right. Inside your box, I don't see any green YCM sticker or anything like that. So if you're getting this off the secondary market, make sure it has all the paper and your box looks just like that. So that's enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. And the first thing I wanted to do is, I seen reviews, I wanted to look at the material, that back and forth motion, and yeah, it is pretty nice. That's all throughout the shoe. Hopefully the camera's bringing that up. Yeah, especially on the side right here. You can see it, that change of direction. I can see why these were limited, man. It looks like, I mean, I don't really see like too many glue stains or anything like that. They did a good job as far as the craftsmanship on the shoe, and then the material. Anytime you get a shoe with material like this, is like Travis Scott type of collab type material, and you know they're gonna be limited right off the bat. They're gonna take their time to do these right. So without further ado, let's get into the Jordan 4 Imperial Purple. So let's start with the outsole. Outsole, you got the semi-translucent gray outsole right there in the middle. You got the gold Nike. Is that Nike? Yeah, just Nike in the middle in gold. On the back of the heel, got the black, and on the toe box, toe cap right here. You got the stars. So yeah, I was talking to my brother about this. We're glad that they did the translucent, the semi-translucent, and put it in gray. That way you ain't gonna worry about yellowing. So that'll add to the longevity of the shoe. Moving up to the upper, the midsole, you got that hit of, I believe this is white. I mean, it could be sail or it could be white, who knows nowadays, but you have that on the midsole. You got a clear air bubble, and you got the gold air unit inside the air bubble. You got black right here coming off the top of that, going all the way around the lateral and the medial side of the shoe. As you move to the upper, that's where you have that Imperial purple and that immaculate materials. Nice suede, nubuck, premium type materials. On the top, you got black wings, gray waffles, and the waffles are the semi-translucent, same thing that's on the midsole. You got all blacked out. Is it purple behind this netting? Yeah, so the netting is black, and then you have the purple behind the netting. So again, you don't have to worry about the netting turning yellow or anything like that. As you move to the front toe box, that's where you really see the change of direction on the materials. Perfect, man, perfect. So we have the netting also going up the tongue. You know what Jordan 4s look like. I ain't got to talk too much about them. Black laces. They didn't come with extra laces, but I did see a couple of folks do the lace swaps, and the yellow do pop. But for me, I think I seen gray too. Gray, Jada Sneaker guy did gray, but for me, I'm just leaving black. I think the black looks the best. I don't really want to put yellow in it. I like how the yellow hits off the tongue, the Jumpman, and on the back of the heel, the Nike Air. Is enough yellow for me. That's just enough to make it pop. And on the back of that back tab, black back tab, gold Nike Air, and the speckles, I'm trying to see if they're black speckles or purple. Looks like it's purple speckles to me. It's on the back of the heel on that Nike Air, so that's a dope touch. You got the white flight right there on the tongue, and then on the back, makes it pop a little bit more. You got yellow on the back, got the Air Jordan yellow, and the tab that it's on is actually purple against that black against the back of the tongue. Let's go ahead and inside the guts. Shoe paper. And you got a yellow insole, and is that black or purple? Okay, yellow insole, black Nike Air with your size of tag right there in the inside of the shoe. Nothing on the back of the back tab right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Only thing different that come with the left shoe is you do get a hang tag, which is a beautiful touch. Hang tag with the gold Nike Air on it, black hang tag. It's fire. I think I'm gonna definitely probably, I don't know, man, I might leave a hang tag on. I left the hang tag on my my undefeated 4s, and it works. Sometimes the hang tag, it just works, man. And I might leave these on, or I might take it off. I don't know. But for right now, I like how that looks with it on. So that's pretty much the review. Comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Are you going to go on a secondary market and pay resale and copy a pair? I did talk to some of the stores, and they said they had late shipments in. So today, Wednesday and Thursday, stop in your local mall or wherever you have your local retailers, the Foot Lockers, Champs, JD Sports, and see if they, got their pairs in, because you might just walk in the store and they might just be sitting on shelves. They don't make an announcement or anything like that. So before you pay resale, go ahead and check your local retailers first. And with that being said, I'm thirsty to throw these on feet. So if you stayed to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And we're going to go ahead and hop into the on feet. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one. Rob. Rachmaninoff. I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to hit the game up like a one time. Done. Done, done. I'm done one. Done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone, gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, done. Done, done.